Right now, millions of creatures are crawling across your skin, and you can't see a single one. But what if you could zoom in? What if we showed you a world so tiny? It feels alien. From invisible forests living on your eyelashes, to crystal deserts inside grains of sand. Today, we're diving into the hidden worlds you never knew existed. And by the end, you'll never look at your pillow the same way again. Number 1, Mite City, the creatures living on your face. Every night your skin becomes a bustling city. Demodex mites, invisible to the eye, crawl out of your pores, mate, and feed on skin oils. You have up to 2,000 of them. Right now, they live their entire lives on your face. But here's what you didn't know. Some scientists believe these mites help keep your skin clean and might even fight acne. Number 2, pollen, microscopic grenades in the air. What looks like gentle yellow dust is actually a battlefield of tiny spiked grenades. Pollen. Zoomed in, they resemble alien sea mines. Every breath you take in spring pulls millions of them into your lungs. But here's what you didn't know. Pollen contains hidden DNA signatures, used by scientists to solve crimes and track ancient climates. Number 3, blood cells, the superhighway inside you. Your veins carry a river of red blood cells, over 90,000 per second. Under a microscope, they look like jelly donuts, soft, round, peaceful. But zoom closer, and you'll see a war. White blood cells hunt down invaders with surgical precision. But here's what you didn't know. Blood cells can leave the bloodstream and crawl through tissue like microscopic spies. Number 4, plankton, the ocean's invisible forest. Every glass of ocean water contains over 1 million living organisms. Plankton, too small to see, drift like glowing dust. Some create oxygen, some kill fish, others glow in the dark, creating sea sparkles. But here's what you didn't know. Plankton provide half the oxygen you're breathing right now. Number 5, leaf surface, a living factory. Under a microscope, a simple green leaf becomes a factory of tiny mouths. They're called stomata. They open and close like valves, breathing in carbon dioxide. Zoom in further, and you'll see wax crystals, shimmering like frost on a window. But here's what you didn't know. Some plants use these crystals to reflect sunlight and cool themselves like natural air conditioning. Number 6, dust, the universe. Hiding in your carpet. What's in your dust? Not just dead skin. You'll find insect legs, hair, bacteria, pollen, plastic, even meteorite particles. Yes, space dust. It lands on Earth daily and mixes with yours. But here's what you didn't know. NASA uses home dust samples to study cosmic materials from beyond Earth. Number 7, insect wings, nature's nano-engineering. Butterfly wings aren't just colorful. They're made of microscopic scales, stacked like roof tiles. Zoom in, and they become dazzling mosaics. Some reflect UV light, others repel water and bacteria. But here's what you didn't know. Scientists are copying insect wings to create antibacterial surfaces for hospitals and spacecraft. Number 8, your eye, a galaxy of cells. The surface of your eye looks like a calm pond until you zoom in. It's covered in a tear film full of mucins, lipids, and proteins. Beneath that, cells form radial patterns, like a spinning galaxy. But here's what you didn't know. Your eye has immune cells, patrolling 24/7, detecting threats instantly, like security bots. Number 9, mold spores, the silent spreaders. A black dot on your wall, that's millions of spores, ready to fly. Under magnification, mold spores look like balloons on sticks, light, soft, and deadly. Some can cause allergies, others, brain infections, even hallucinations. But here's what you didn't know. Certain spores glow under UV light, helping forensics track crime scenes. Number 10, ice crystals, the hidden geometry of cold. Every snowflake is a miracle, At the microscopic level, ice crystals form perfect hexagons, each one unique. Some look like spears, others like stars. But here's what you didn't know. Scientists are using these frozen patterns to decode past climates, trapped in ice for thousands of years. The next time you blink, touch a leaf, or breathe, remember, the most mind-blowing worlds aren't in space. They're right here, hiding in plain sight. Want more deep dives into the hidden layers of our world? Hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments, which of these tiny worlds shocked you the most